Okay, I'm again with Misha's Bat Reviews. Today I got the Cat 7 Marucci. As you know, yesterday we did the Cat 8 Marucci, and see, it says Cat 7, then it says Marucci. It's a very beautiful bat. They almost ran out of bats because they are now selling Cat 7 Maruccis for sale. They're very good Maruccis. Okay, now I'm going to be putting off the team. One bounce off the fence. That's an outfield. That's a grounder. Off the fence. Oh my God, I was wishing I would hop over the fence. Okay, hard grounder. Almost at the fence. Don't think anybody touched that in the outfield. That's so close to bouncing over. One bounce. Grounder.
Sit.
Line drive. Hey, now I'm still line drive. Line drive. Ha. That's time. But that's a pop one. That's a line drive. There. It's going to the wall. Almost gets the wall. Go out, go out. Oh my God, so close. That's coming so close. That's here. Line drive. That's gone. Hold on! Hold on! That's so fast. So fast. I think I should have picked that one straight. Okay, this bat's a very good bat. It has tremendous sweet spot, but the Cat 8 Marucci is just a little bit better. It has a better sweet spot, but this bat is a very good bat. On a scale of 0 to 10, I rate this bat a 7.5 and 8.5. Also, stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button to never miss an upload.